Hello everyone, good evening. I'm back and it's Friday. Kanina I've been at Kamiari at my house friend. Nag-deliver ako ng order nila na bed cover. And thank you so much. And pillow cover. So thank you so much. And then Cecil give me a big pack of futati. Thank you so much, Cel. Nandun sa ref. Nilagay ko siya sa frozen. Dahil baka masira siya. So, nilagay ko siya sa frozen. Thank you so much dahil dumaan pa ko kanina sa Kamiari. Nagro-grocery ako and I meet Papa Tamors there. And yeah, meron ako mga binili doon konti. So, I found there when I visit on that my favorite store while I'm roaming around that place. May nakita na naman akong bath bomb and I love it. And this is Karada Arrange Factory and it's a Japanese nakasulat. So, I don't know kung ano nakasulat. But, ang nabasa ko lang, this one is Hyaluron. Which is, I understand Hyaluron is for whitening for the skin. And, yeah. And woman delicate for woman delicate. And, Hyaluron. So, it means hyaluronic. So, whitening. So, I buy this 2-pack everyone because I really love taking bath. Lagi akong nagbababad, even summer season, lagi akong nagbababad sa aking bath as long na wala akong regla or menstruations, whatever. So, lagi akong nagbababad and nilalagyan ko ng mga bath bomb, yung bath ko. And I love the scent, gusto ko yung bango. So, tiningnan ko yung loob. Actually, binuksan ko, tiningnan ko yung loob. And there is a 3-pack in this, inside, in this bath bomb. Skincare, and look at the design. It's so cute. It's a heart. So hindi ko lang siya maamoy sa loob, but I'm sure talaga mabango. So I love it. So yeah, I'm so excited to use, but I cannot use this time dahil my I have a red calendar in myself, so may regla ako, so I cannot use this. I want to use this as soon next week. Yeah, I will use this one because you know I love bomb. My face na ko is beeping in the back. Hello, may ako. Mommy is back. So, yeah. So, this is my day. It's a very, very hot day today, everyone, actually. Napakainit. Kanina gusto kong mag-live at Kamiari, the beautiful Kamiari. But, you know, nagmamadali ako. So, I'm very busy. And then, medyo mahaba-haba din kasi sa Shiburi din na hindi kami nakapagchikahan ni Cecil. So, medyo mahaba talaga yung oras ko dun kina Cecil. Akala ko, sandali lang ako. But, ganyan talaga. Pag matagal mo nang mamit yung mga kaibigan mo, matagalan talaga yung mga chikahan, yung mga usapan. And then, yeah. See you next week, Sil. And then, we are planning to go to Going Resto. This, actually, nagplan kami ni Cecil na this 23 ay pupunta ng Going Resto. But, on the 25, I'm invited of a birthday party. So, sabi ko, i-reschedule na lang natin, Sil, ang ating pagdi-date doon sa Going Resto dahil mga first week na lang of the month maybe. So, yeah, first week of the month, next month na lang tayo. So, yeah, this is my night and thank you so much everyone and I'm wearing my very own creation dress, everyone. This is my dress, everyone. As you can see, this is a maxi long dress and I just add my belt in this design, so I think it's so cute. So, thank you so much and have a lovely good night. Parang, you know, parang kanina talaga everyone, parang sa sobra sigurong init everyone, marami din ako nakain kina Cecil, no? Kumain ako doon ng mga kung ano mga chicherya niya doon habang nagtsikahan kami. So, parang sa sobra sigurong init everyone, no? Parang I feel talaga na hilo-hilo ako, parang ewan. But you know, sabi ni Daddy, magpahinga ka muna mami, mag-relax ka muna, matulog ka muna. And then, yeah, but hindi ako makatulog dahil marami pa akong gagawin, marami pa akong ligpitin dahil tomorrow is Saturday. So yeah, and this is our night and good night. Basta guwapa lang, okay ra gyud. Bisag malipong-lipong, basta guwapa, okay ra gyud ko. So have a good night everyone and thank you so much and kisses.